All right, going live. Today, we got a few things to fix first. All right, so just gonna do some bit of exploration on the best way to do prompts, especially JSON formatted prompt. So that's essentially what we're gonna do today. All right, so before we start, I have a few things I need to check and confirm first. Because just now offline, the 𝗟𝗏 server is not quite working. Oh, okay, I see. I gotta do the tunneling thing. Gotta tunnel my 𝗟𝗏 to my PC server. And then I gotta stop my 𝗟𝗏 instance running here. All right, cool. So let's go try running again. I do yarn dev. Connection refused. What the heck? Huh, weird. What? All right, let's try this again. All right, I got a thing going. Generating responses. Okay. It's going. Things are moving. You just don't see it yet. And then failed pretty fast, actually. Let's go check what's going on. So this is the problem we kind of ran into last time. So what's the error? Next activities. Oh, I see. So it keeps making things up. Subject next activities. If it keeps saying, okay, it wants to generate next activities, I might as well just conform with that. Subject next activities. So activities. Look at let me just change this to next activities, since it's so much like to generate a field name called next activities. I'm just going to change my field name actually to next activities. The path of least resistance. Okay. Just going to do a broad search on activities here. Data on next activities. And then I'm going to change from all the way from definition to next activities. And then here as well. All right. So character action, next activities. Okay, where else? Here. Cool. JSON schema next activities. In the next activities. Next activities. Okay. I think we covered all occurrences of next activities. Activities, next activities. Okay, let's try this one more time. Oops, failed again. Oh, it's still going. I kind of retried. Okay, I think we have a thing going here. Oop, okay. Okay, path, subject, expected string, received no. Okay, got it. That seems to be a pretty common occurrence too, which is next activities, action, subject. It keeps missing the subject for some reason. Subject now, action talk. Oh, okay, this is one of these. So instead of shuttling things in the next activities, it quite often just generate a single activity and spread it out onto the top level JSON object. That's another issue we have been consistently facing. Let me here use this opportunity to character worker. Are we outputting character prompt? Oh yeah, we actually have action prompt. So since we have outputting action prompt, I think we could get a pretty good look at just exactly what prompt is being issued. What's the action prompt? All right. You're a helper assistant. Your job determining the activities based on the subject of the context provided. JSON schema of the response. Instructions. Put all activities you think the character should do in the next activities array. Use each subject allow activities and read most at once. Always include a talk action with a message in next activities array. Include a talk action with a message. Yeah, I think it's trying to follow. Actually, it's trying to follow this. Always include a talk action. I think this is actually causing the small model to be confused. That'd be my guess. Yeah, here. Let me first try to rephrase it. Okay. In your next array, of talk as in let me just make it super clear. Again, this is dumb, but I think this is clear. Always include subject, reflection, next activities. the JSON. Response only JSON, do not respond any notes or comments. Okay. All right, let's try this. Prompt engineering is really prompt fudging. There's no engineering about it. Cool. So far, so good. Oh no. What now? Reflection. Reflection isn't provided. Next activity, speaker, type dialogue, text. Oh, come on. Okay. It's probably not quite working very well. Yeah. So let me try this thing first. Action prompt. All right. You're a helpful assistant. Your job is to do this. Context: Emily loves cats. She's a cat lover. And assistant is subject Emily. Reflection. Action talk. Context. Subject. Photo. Reflection. Action talk. Context. Yeah, this is a super long ass. Wow. That's a lot. Subject allowed actions. Okay, this is probably important. Action talk. Target. There's no such subject. Next action. That is a lot of things. Oh, wow. That's a lot of things for a small model to take. How do we break this down? I feel that there needs to be some kind of more fundamental redesign to this. Okay, let me try what exactly has transpired here. Guy talk yawn. Jackie walk to here. Jackie approaches Guy to have a conversation about improving efficiency. Jackie examines dog food aisle. Jackie checks on the dog food supply levels. Jackie operating cash register. Jackie starts using a new POS system for more efficient transactions. Oh, that's not bad. Jackie talk. Here's a suggestion. Guy, could we make the store more organized and clean up after customers? That might help avoid accidents. Plus, it will create a nicer shopping environment for everyone. Guy, walk, and then Guy, talk. Let's discuss our plan of action to improve the store, Morgan. Guy, examines pet store. Guy, examine dog food aisle. Guy, operate cash registry. Guy, walk to here. Guy, examine dog treats. Guy, talk. What if we move the dog tree closer to the cash register for easier access? This could also serve as a incentive for the customer to purchase more items. Guy, walk to here. Guy, examine dog crates. Guy, talk. It's important to ensure that our puppies and dogs are well cared, in good condition, and we may need to get more. Guy, wrong to. Guy, examine dog clothing. Guy, talk. Have you thought about creating a display that highlights our selection of dog clothing costumes? Customer might be able to browse them more easily. Hold on. Why is always guy that's talking? We have some weird bugs going on here. Okay, so this is super strange. Okay, action prompt is emitted when it's immediately generated. All right. So action prompt. Okay, here's the action prompt. The first ever action prompt. That already has a lot of stuff. So I'm supposed to generate subject name's Jackie. All right. So did it actually generate Jackie action? Okay. Jackie action is generated. Next thing happened is this is guy. Holy cow, guys generate like 13 actions. Holy cow. That's a lot of actions. Okay, that's clearly not right. All right. But it's not its fault exactly because we didn't really kind of specify what's the upper limit for the actions it can take. All right, so let's change the prompt again. Okay. So generate no more than 3 actions. Oh, okay. I just did a hard limit to generate no more than 3 actions and see what happens. Seems to be working. All right, reflection is not here again. Okay, cannot stop property now if undefined. Setting subject. Okay, let's see what now. So this time around, yeah, this prompt is okay so far. Action prompt, subject next activities. This is the one that kind of failed. It failed in a way that it's kind of strange. Okay, action walk to messages now. Reflection is no. Okay, it refuses to provide a. I see. Subject is no. Reflection is no. Action walk to examine. Walk to examine. Walk to examine. Okay. 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 Got it. This is hard. This is hard. Include no more. So if you have a lot of props, okay, it tends to kind of try to cover as many as possible, which is kind of okay. Okay, actions. Oh, now it has this actions. Okay, interesting. Because did I mention anything about actions? Yeah, generate no more than 3 actions in the next activities. All right. Okay, I just need to be no more than 2 at most 3 actions. All right. So there's no mentions of actions in the prompt. So let's go try this again. So far, so good. Oh no. What's the error here? Number is undefined. Next activities destination coordinate y is undefined. Okay. Still going. No reflection again. There's no action again. Expect string. Okay, it's failing many times actually. There's no reflection. Oh yeah, just kind of target dog training area, action examining message. Okay. All right, not good. Not good. For this, let's try bring back the instructor. Instructor utility again and see if we can improve anything. So the reason, the way we were using the instructor is client equals the instructor, action prompt. 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗃𝗲𝗄. All right, how am I using llama in here? Oh, action prompt. Okay, this is actually not. This is only props prompt, action prompt. This is not a place where it's actually calling these. Calling the large language model. Let's go check where exactly it is calling large language model. gen action pro character worker. Yeah, generate response 𝗟𝗲𝗻 by messages. Yeah, this is where it's actually calling the instructor. Oh, I have instructor here. Am I using it? Wait, hold on a second. I'm using instructor here. That's strange. I'm actually using instructor. I thought I'm not using instructor. Okay, I initiated. Okay, what if I just use like raw oai.chat.completion.create? Let's see here. What if I just don't use instructor? FPO llama, finish reason. Okay, this thing is totally now working. Format JSON. Response format, type JSON object. All right, let's just gonna force it to JSON. Response system fingerprint. This thing is totally failing. FPO llama. Wait, hold on. I shouldn't actually be using llama. I should be actually using llama, not OpenAI. Totally using the wrong thing here. Just 1 second. Yeah. My bad. It's not OAI. It's 𝗟𝗲𝗻.chat.completion. Yeah, here it is. 𝗟𝗲𝗻.chat. 𝗟𝗲𝗻.chat model messages. Like that. 𝗟𝗲𝗻.chat temperature options. Temperature 0.5. And then how do I force a JSON output? Clean JSON output. So this is the output. JSON object. I don't need this for loop anymore. It's not streaming. JSON output equals to output dot content dot message dot content. Yeah. JSON dot parse schema the parse, JSON the parse. Okay, let's try this. Structure mode is JSON. All right, format is JSON. 𝗟𝗏 does, you can actually pass in format as JSON. I think you can do that. Yeah, okay. Let me just force JSON into it. Generate response 𝗟𝗏. Temperature set to 1.0. All right, what now? Its response was just an empty string. Okay. Okay, response becomes empty string. That's totally not correct. Oh, and not an empty string, empty object. Okay. 𝗟𝗏.generate. Model prompt. Okay. On the chat. Why does it just give me an empty string? It's worse than before. This is just horrendous. Okay. Yeah, it just totally broke the whole thing.
What happened?
Yeah, I think we gotta fix a few things offline before we can keep going with this. And you look, as you can see, the bug about yeah, there's a fundamental problem with the server running super slow,
Hmm.
among other things. I feel like just redoing this thing from scratch, like the character worker and everything. It was working even with like Llama. It just got progressively worse now. It's just response with an empty object. Goodness.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'm probably just keep getting worse. Um, yeah, and then I have this infinite loop issue. I think I am able to kind of reproduce it now with, okay, if I restart this. Yeah, it's just extremely slow right now. I think I can consistently reproduce this. So
Okay.
let me just take it offline and debug it.
All right. I mean, if it's a consistent behavior, it's also good. We can
Yeah,
pinpoint it.
I was having a hard time like catching this error actually. Yeah, this is really slow for some reason. It should be like in an instant actually. Okay, I need to take this offline. Like I think we gotta cut our live stream short today, and let
Yeah.
me just debug offline.
Cool.
Okay, maybe see you next week. Hopefully next week we'll get back on track.
I think by next week, our live stream, we will have already launched our framework.
Yes.
Cool. So
Are you
hopefully
are
the
you did you
persons.
just put that in public just to okay.
Yes. So by the time you get to use it, it will be very, very stable.
Okay. Sounds good.